Do you get tired of trying to duplicate your favorite gluten-free foods? While swapping gluten-free for gluten-filled foods is easy and often successful, it frustrates many people. The solution? Stop hunting for gluten-free versions of your old favorites. That's right. Ditch the sad, crumbly bread, the gummy pasta, the cardboard cookies, and it almost tastes like a stale cracker pizza crust. One trick will instantly make gluten-free living better. Stop replacing and start upgrading. Instead of gluten-free bread, go all in on foods that were never meant to have gluten in the first place. Imagine a juicy burger wrapped in crisp butter lettuce, a stuffed avocado bursting with creamy goodness, or a perfectly roasted cauliflower drizzled with rich garlicky tahini. These aren't substitutes, they're straight-up upgrades. Speaking of hamburgers, I remember thinking they weren't worth eating without a bun, but now I prefer them plain or wrapped in lettuce. I only wish I could figure out how to eat a lettuce-wrapped burger without making such a mess. Love crispy snacks? Forget processed gluten-free crackers and toss spiced nuts or crunchy roasted chickpeas in a bowl. Need something creamy? Blend up a herby avocado dip or a rich cashew-based sauce. Are you craving dessert? A handful of dark chocolate-dipped pecans or cinnamon-dusted coconut chips will blow store-bought cookies out of the water. Here's the deal. When you stop trying to make gluten-free food act like gluten-filled food, everything tastes better. You get real texture, bold flavors, and satisfying meals that don't feel like a compromise. Whole foods deliver crunch, creaminess, chewiness, and flavor without the weird aftertaste of overprocessed replacements. The best part? You stop missing gluten because you're not chasing it anymore. Instead of feeling deprived, you feel free to enjoy food that's naturally satisfying, delicious, and makes you feel good. One shift, one change, and suddenly, you're not just surviving gluten-free, you're thriving. You'll find recipes for everything mentioned in the show notes. I'm Lee, and I'll see you again soon.